To set recommended troubleshooting as don't run any troubleshooters in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click on the submenu icon, and then click on the Settings, select Update and Security, and then click on tab Troubleshoot. On recommended troubleshooting, recommended troubleshooter can help improve your Windows experience. How much do you want Microsoft to help when we find issues on your device? The troubleshooters might be able to fix. Tap drop down menu and then select don't run any troubleshooters. Now recommended troubleshooting set as don't run any troubleshooters. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.